What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora and we're going to be working on our brother's jet ski. He brought it to us from Texas and dropped it off. We're going to be fixing some damage on it and repainting it for him. So we've got a pretty crazy setup going on right now out front. I'm going to go show you what we're doing. Hello, pop-up garage. We're just working on getting the hood taken off this thing. And then I'm going to walk around it and show you guys kind of the spots that need to get fixed.
Good size. So it's got like a big piece that goes over here, right? Well, that's like the seat. And there's like a piece of...
Yeah, it's going to be fun trying to keep this thing from blowing away. This Oklahoma wind, it never stops.
See any of this once everything's not even really. You basically see it from like here. See it from here and see this part right here.
You can see spots like this. We're just doing an overall fixing it up and repainting it. Alright, I'm gonna go see what the little guys are up to. Okay, so they covered up these spots with resin. We're waiting for it to dry. You guys are so crazy. What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you the update on the jet ski. We've been doing some sanding on it. Got yellow dust all over the garage. But everything's going good. We just got all these spots filled with this Total Fair resin. And we're about to sand the whole bottom of the ski. So I'm going to throw you guys in a time lapse while we do that. We got the bottom of the ski sanded and now we're getting the top part of it taped off and getting it ready to get primered. Alrighty, y'all, we got the bottom of the ski primed and it looks really good. Let's go check it out. ain't working on it? Alright, next up, we need to get this hood sanded down and primed. And this other white piece.
Well, yeah, it's deep enough. I gotta put a little putty in it.
Okay, so we have to fix the spot on there and finish sanding the hood. And then we'll get primer on both of these pieces. We've got everything sanded down and it's looking really good. Let's go ahead and get the primer on here. Got the top looking really good. Officially got it in primer. Now let's go ahead and go paint it. Check it out, guys. We're officially done with the paint job. And it looks pretty amazing if you ask me. We're really happy with how everything turned out. And he's coming in this week to pick it up. And he's gonna be the one to go ahead and put all of the stickers and everything back on it. So we are good. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already, guys. It would mean a lot to me. And I'm really looking forward to the summertime and all the fun that brings. But I think the jet ski turned out really great. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I will catch you in the next video.